Homemade Yemeni Mandi with broccoli sprinkle, Ramadan Special, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. And today we have a special treat for you, homemade Yemeni Mandi with a unique twist, the broccoli sprinkle. Perfect for Ramadan, and I promise, it's super affordable and beginner friendly. Segment 1, Introduction to Yemeni Mandi. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk a bit about Yemeni Mandi. It's a traditional Middle Eastern dish, known for its flavorful rice and tender meat. Mandi is often enjoyed during special occasions, and today, we'll show you how to make it right in your own kitchen. Segment 2, Ingredients. Let's start with the ingredients. Don't worry, we've kept it simple and affordable for beginners. Here's what you'll need. For the rice, two cups of basmati rice, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, salt to taste. For the chicken, 500 grams of chicken, cut into pieces, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated, 2 tomatoes, chopped, ½ cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of Mandi spice mix, a blend of cumin, coriander, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Salt to taste. For the broccoli sprinkle, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Segment 3, Preparations, Rice. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparations. Start by washing the basmati rice thoroughly. Soak it for about 30 minutes, and then drain. Next, in a pot, heat the ghee, and add the cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaf. Let them sizzle for a moment, releasing their aromas. Now, add the soaked rice, and sauté for a few minutes until the rice is coated with the ghee and spices. Pour in the water, add salt, and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer until the rice is cooked and fluffy. Segment 4, Preparations, Chicken. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the chicken. In a separate pan, heat some oil and sauté the chopped onions until they're golden brown. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, cook for a minute until fragrant. Now, add the chicken pieces and brown them on all sides. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they are soft and the chicken is cooked through. Then, mix in the yogurt and Mandi spice mix. Segment 5, Assembly. Our rice and chicken are ready. In a serving dish, create a base layer with the aromatic rice. Place the cooked chicken on top, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Segment 6, Broccoli sprinkle. Now, for the special twist, the broccoli sprinkle. In a pan, heat olive oil and sauté the broccoli florets until they're tender but still vibrant green. Season them with salt and pepper. Scatter the broccoli over the mandi for a colorful and nutritious touch. Segment 7, Final touch. To complete our Yemeni Mandi experience, drizzle some extra ghee on top and garnish with fresh coriander or parsley. The aroma alone will make your kitchen feel like a Middle Eastern feast. Segment 8, Serving. Our homemade Yemeni Mandi with broccoli sprinkle is ready to be served. This dish is not only delicious but also budget-friendly and perfect for those who are just starting their culinary journey. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today on Noor Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. I hope you enjoyed making this Ramadan special Yemeni Mandi with a broccoli sprinkle twist. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi recipes and cookeries channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan filled with joy, delicious food, and cherished moments with your loved ones. Ma as salama. Thank you very much Yemeni Mandi lovers.